Hey guys, it's Incognito here. So today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, today we will replace the light from the door. It's equal all of the doors, so I will only show you how to replace one. After the introduction, I will show you what are the tools you needed and the lamp also, the bulb, the bulb that you also need. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell icon to don't miss any notifications. This is the bulb that we will install it. Again, T10 CAN bus bulb and a flat screwdriver. So let's go to the car and see how it goes. Everything is dark because I will show you what is the light, the stock one, looks like for you to have a big difference. So as you can see, this is the light. Oh, the camera is turning like a different tone, maybe it's focusing, but yeah, as you can see, this is the light coming from the door, the bulb on the door. Now I will turn on the lights and replace the bulb. Let me just first put the camera in place. We have, let's see, we have in the front a space. You put like the screwdriver and you pop up the plastic housing. Okay. Remove the bulb, be careful, it's hot, and put the new one. Check the polarity, yep, the way around, and okay, it's okay, it's in place, and just very easy, put it inside, clip it. I will show you how it's look like. Okay, yeah, big difference, as you can see, very big difference in color. So let's do the same thing. Close the door and turn off the lights and open again the door. Let's open the door, and as you can see, way brighter, way better than the stock ones.